Well, the time has officially come. We are going to camp on Antarctica. And today, Mother Nature has fucking delivered. Hopefully, that plays well into camping and I don't freeze my ass off. I don't even camp in Colorado in bougie camping areas. And now, I'm gonna go sleep in the snow on fucking Antarctica? I mean, how can you say no to it though, right? Unlike other camping, you're not allowed to just do your business wherever. So we have these wacky plastic foot pump toilets that nobody wants to use, including me. I think some people might regret the curry at dinner. Why would you serve curry today? Everyone is really nervous about getting cold tonight, but sometimes you just gotta be a yes person. Fuck yes and nothing less. Last time I got sunburned sleeping, I guess, I was about 12 Mai Tais deep. I didn't drink any alcohol, that's a lie, I did a little bit. And we're back. It's been so long, mainland Antarctica. Good to see you again. Got my blue bag of bullshit. Actually, it's not bullshit, it's very essential. I should probably stop joking until I survive this. We have got our camping site neighborhood, and now it's time to pick out the burial plot, camping plot. The camping plot. I got it good. My campsite is all set, except I am missing my sleeping bag liner. It's supposed to keep you clean from other people that have used it before, but I'm pretty sure I've put myself in nastier things before this, so I think I'll be okay.
Right,
yes. Now I have a sleeping bag condom, so I won't feel the thing. All right. I am gonna cheat a little bit. I've got hand warmers that I'm gonna put in my sleeping bag. I'm going to thank myself later for this. Could there be a more epic camping spot? Probably not. This is some top tier shit right here. We can see the boat right there in the bay. It's right there. Warm beds, snacks, juice, a bar. We got a couple penguins coming to check out the campsite. They're just wondering who the fuck is this in our neighborhood. They're really unbothered. Looks like the penguins are staying all night. Good morning. We have to fill in all the holes we dug last night, and now the snow has become just straight ice. I actually broke a shovel doing that. Does that come out of my incidentals? Probably. I'm so glad I did not freeze like I anticipated I was going to. I pretty much slept with absolutely everything on, which there's no rules against that. Whatever you need to do. Now I'm all packed up and it's time to wait for the Zodiac back to the bar. I could really use an ice cold beer right now and a shower. Camping is complete and a success. That was insane.